Hello, this is your girl, Evelyn Sophie. I'm a relationship coach and I'm also a life coach. And today I have a very interesting topic to talk about how to fix your relationship. If you don't know me, I'm the CEO of growwealtheasy.com. Please go out to my website and sign up for one-on-one coaching. So I will go ahead and jump right into it. What are some steps you need to take to fix your relationship? The first step that I have is, first of all, think about your relationship. Is this a relationship that you want to save, or are you really just hanging on to it for other reasons? Write down all the reasons why you think you want to fix the relationship. Do you really want to fix it or not? If you want to fix it, fine. You look at all the pros and cons on why you need to fix the relationship. And then you can go to the next stage. If you've made up your mind that you want to fix it, the second one will be reset your feminine energy. You know I'm going to talk about feminine energy always. As women, we are more feminine being, which means we actually are in our feminine energy most of the time. And what does it mean to be in your feminine energy? Your feminine energy is just those small things that makes you happy, that keeps you grounded as a woman. So for example, you don't want to rely on your partner for happiness. You want to be happy. Like TB Jakes would say, create your own party, and when your partner comes, they can join in your party. So look for things that make you feel happy. Like maybe doing your nails. For me, doing my nails will make me feel happy. Going for a walk will make me feel happy. Journaling, writing my gratitude journal will make me feel happy. Sometimes just talking to my daughter will make me feel happy. So be happy as a person, and then let your partner be just the ice on the cake. So that's the second thing. Reset your feminine energy. Now, the third thing that will help you fix your relationship will be stop criticizing your partner. I know it's kind of hard, especially depending on what level your relationship is at. But guess what? It doesn't help when you keep criticizing. Instead, just observe, observe. And if you see something positive, bring it up. And then ignore the negative aspects, because of course you're going to start by seeing a lot of negative aspects. They say whatever you focus on will grow. So start on focusing on the positive. See any little thing that you can admire about this person, or that this person does that you like, and start appreciating that person for it. And guess what? Before you know it, your mindset will shift and you start really appreciating your partner, and probably be able to work out things in your relationship. So that was the third point, which will be stop criticizing your partners. And then the fourth point will be setting boundaries. Oh my goodness, this one is a very big one. A lot of women think that when they do so much for their man is going to love them more. Hell no, that's not true. You'll find that a man will even love a woman that they do everything for that woman and the woman doesn't do anything for them. Why? Because the woman has boundaries. It's not everything that he says you should do or that you need to do if you don't want to do. What I mean by setting your boundaries is just making your boundaries clear and communicating your boundaries. And this will lead us to the next point, which will be communicating how you feel. A lot of us are in our mind. I am, for one, that person that used to talk out of the mind. I would talk a lot about, I would argue with my partner back and forth instead of dropping into my body and really feeling what's happening with me inside, so I can communicate from my body. What does that feel like? Or what does that mean for a woman? For example, let's say your partner doesn't do the dishes or doesn't clean up after himself. You can, instead of say, oh, I hate the fact that you don't clean up after yourself, how about you say, honey, every time I come to the kitchen and the dishes are there, it makes me feel disgusted. It makes me feel tired. It makes me not feel happy. It doesn't give me a good feeling. Now he's gonna understand that more. I don't know how comes men understand that better than you saying logic. They rather you say how it makes you feel. There's so many different examples on how you can reframe something to your man by letting them know how that makes you feel instead of kind of just telling them what is, of course, logical. So reframe your sentence and start expressing how that makes you feel instead of what you want them to change about themselves. And then a lot of people don't know how they even feel. So start taking time to feel and think about how you're feeling and start expressing how you feel. So that was going to be my last point. Those are the points that I have for you. So I'll recap them. First of all, think about your relationship. Is this something you really want to face